Liquidity declines were inevitable as a result of lower cash flow from the oil sector, as well as rise in short-term US dollar rate to which UAE dirham is pegged. The fact that for foreign investors remain relatively more interested in the UAE market vindicates our view that not all is gloomy in terms of general outlook. While UAE markets are naturally correlated to global markets, but there is now scope for the market to further stabilize, provided the oil price is in the range of US dollar 45 to 55 per barrel. Overall, we think UAE will continue to outperform its regional peers, given its relatively better growth outlook, thanks to its diversified economy and strong fiscal and external buffers, as well as cheaper valuations. Given the tough macro environment, we prefer non-cyclical names, stocks with low leverage and high cash flow yields. Also, stocks with high dividend yield will be of key interest to the investors. From a sector perspective, we think the logistics and transportation sector is holding up well, and we continue to see investors' interest in Aramex, Air Arabia, DP World. Thanks to Dubai as a major tourist hub, we still see potential in Dubai parks. Another stock of key interest would be Rock Ceramics, for which we think the restructuring strategy is working out well. Furthermore, the company targets a dividend payout ratio of 60% each year. We have a cautious outlook on bank, as we think credit quality and liquidity is likely to remain key concern. However, we have an overweight on Emirates NBD, for which we think the earnings growth will be supported by strong liability franchise and improving asset quality. Furthermore, the bank is well placed to benefit from the lifting of sanctions on Iran. The GCC and UAE are an integral part of the global economy and market environment. As such, we are inevitably affected by the global risk factors, be it bleak exit, US monetary policy, or for that matter, the risk of devaluation of Chinese currency. As highlighted earlier, that in relative terms, UAE is in a position of strength. Yet we are not immune to global volatility spillovers, and thus we have to continue to tread our risk carefully. For opportunities, there would be opportunities there, in fact, as global concerns dissipate and as investors anticipate this and overcome the probable wall of fear. Local markets are likely to strengthen following the positive economic reforms that UAE government has recently undertaken.